Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the review on swatches of Cupcake Polish 5 years anniversary trio. This is a limited edition set that will only be available for the month of July. There is also a site-wide sale going on right now where you can avail 30% off anything you buy including these polishes. The discount code and the other details are listed in the info box below, so feel free to check it out. And now, without any further ado, let's get into the swatches. The first one I'm gonna swatch is called 5 years and it's a magenta linear holographic polish with holographic micro glitters and a heavy blue shimmer. Here comes my first coat. It's a little bit sheer on the first coat but gives complete coverage on second coat. So going in with my second coat. And this is the final look after top coat and clean up. The next one is called Celebrate. It's a blush pink polish with an elegant foiled finish. It's very beautiful, it's so metallic and gorgeous. Here comes my first coat. Once again, this gives full coverage in 2 coats only. So this is my second and final coat. And this is how it looks after top coat and clean up. The last one in this collection is called Diamond. It's a multifaceted iridescent topper packed with multicolored iridescent flakies and platinum silver micro flakies. It's a very beautiful topper. So since it's a topper, I used a black polish underneath to make it pop a little bit more, and I'll just show you how it looks over black. So here goes, only 1 coat of diamond, and as you can see, it looks so gorgeous. So here's a closer look after top coat and clean up. It's a very beautiful topper, and this is how it looks just with 2 coats, nothing as base. Again, looks very beautiful. And this is how it looks all together. I did a nail art using all 3 polishes in this one, and it is really gorgeous. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the swatches of this very beautiful collection, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button and be a part of this lovely family, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss my future uploads. I appreciate all the love and support you show towards my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.